As a CEO, I look for opportunities that obviously bring return on investment to our company on an annual basis. And bringing in Tony Robbins Group, I decided that it was time to take us to another level. And a lot of the things I felt like we needed to deal with was a lot about team building. And so I invited the Tony Robbins team to come up with a plan for 2 days, our top leaders, about 12 people, to come in and spend time getting to know ourselves, getting to know each other, how we work, and figuring out how that could then be leveraged for the growth of our company. So after dealing with our senior leadership team, about 12 people, I invited the Tony Robbins team to come back about a month later and deal with the entire company, about 40 people at the time. And we went through just 1 day of a sort of simplified exercise of doing the same sort of exercise goals and team building exercises that they had put together for us as a leadership team. And it really sort of set a spark for us. This year alone, we're at 18% increase in revenue. I think it more than paid off this year, and I know the growth we're going to see is going to be even more exponential. The return on investment has been easy at this point. I didn't know that at the time, but I am absolutely thrilled with the results we're getting right now. I have done coaching with other programs, with other individuals, and they've been beneficial at some levels. I think what stands out to me with Tony's system, with his coaches, has been the constant attention to not just what the business is about, but really about what we are about. Getting into ourself, unlocking our soul, our heart, where we need to go first. And for anybody who's looking at this, CEO or otherwise, admit it to yourself that there is something that you can unlock within yourself that can free yourself and free the other people that are around you as well. The whole process was about trying to break down our walls, our barriers, and change the culture of our organization. And out of that, the changes, the opportunities, the results have been really incredible.